co-owner of the Return to Nature funeral home, Carie Hallford, was in court today for her preliminary hearing. She, along with husband John, are accused of improperly storing bodies at that funeral home in Penrose.
Those bodies were discovered by authorities back in October. News 5's Maggie Bryan was in the courtroom all day long. She is joining us live with a recap of what happened and a warning. Some of the details of this story are so disturbing. Maggie.
Right. Today we saw very graphic images of the rooms inside the funeral home. Now, FBI agent Andrew Cohen testified that the bodies discovered inside the funeral home were those of adults, infants, and even fetuses. Agent Cohen testified that in one room, the floor was brown where it was originally white. He said the brown color was from human decomposition liquids. He also described a layer of insects covering the floor in most of those rooms. Agent Cohen testified that some of the bodies in the funeral home were not covered. Some were stacked on top of each other, and some were put into plastic totes. He also said investigators found a bone grinder and a box of concrete mix in one of the rooms. Cohen added in his testimony that the earliest date of death of the bodies was found was September 15th of 2019. That means that individual was dead for more than 4 years before it was discovered by police. We also heard from Agent Cohen that one of the alleged victims inside was the body of an Army Sergeant First Class who served our country for over 20 years. The agent testified the grave was later exhumed and a different person's body was found inside, and the body was of a different sex as well, we might mention, and wrapped in covering and in duct tape. A CBI agent also testified today discussing bank records belonging to the owners of the funeral home. He says there were non-business related purchases, including 2 vehicles. The agent also said there were transactions showing 660 pounds of concrete mix bought at Home Depot. Now, the hearing today was cut short due to time. It lasted for about 3 hours, but the judge said the court will finish that hearing on January 17th, as well as discuss bond for Carie Hallford. For now, in Colorado Springs, I'm Maggie Bryan, News 5.